In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make perfect flowcharts in Excalidraw. I'll use AI prompt on this one. We'll move efficiently, keep everything aligned, and finish with a professional flowchart for a customer support ticket lifecycle. By the end, you'll know the essential shortcuts, how to leverage AI or mermaid code for a quick draft, and how to polish the layout so it's clean and consistent. First, let's get comfortable with the keyboard. Tap R for a rectangle, A for an arrow, and L for a line. When you're laying out connected steps, use CMD or Ctrl plus the arrow keys to create new connected nodes in the direction you press. If you need multiple copies in a row, keep holding CMD or Ctrl and repeatedly press an arrow key to duplicate connected nodes rapidly. As you reposition elements, hold CMD or Ctrl while dragging to toggle snapping on or off temporarily, which is great when you need fine control. For small nudges, press Opt or Alt plus the arrow keys to move elements precisely without breaking your rhythm. To jumpstart your diagram, you can use AI prompts or paste mermaid code to generate a draft. This gives you a quick structure you can refine. For consistent symbols, import a library with standard shapes such as process blocks, decision diamonds, and data shapes. Using a known set keeps your chart readable and professional. Before arranging everything, right-click to enable grid mode and turn on Snap to Object. These help you place and distribute elements precisely. When multiple items are selected, use the Align and Distribute controls in the left-hand panel to maintain even spacing and clean vertical or horizontal alignment. Now let's build a customer support ticket lifecycle. Start with a rectangle labeled New. From there, add a decision for auto-categorization. Use your library's decision symbol and create branches for technical, billing, and general. Each branch routes to its respective team as a process node. Before work begins, include a decision for urgent. If urgent, connect to an escalation path so the ticket is prioritized. If not urgent, route to the assigned team queue. Use A to draw arrows between each step, and CMD or Ctrl plus arrow to add connected nodes quickly down each branch. For resolution, add a process node labeled Resolve. Then include a feedback loop. If the fix fails, send the ticket back to the appropriate team. If successful, it moves to closed. Select rows or columns and use Align and Distribute so spacing is perfect. Toggle snapping with CMD or Ctrl while moving if you need to make slight adjustments, and use Opt or Alt plus arrow to fine-tune positioning. That's it. Practice the shortcuts, lean on AI drafts and libraries for speed, and use alignment tools to keep everything tidy.